The Ruger 1022 is a firearm like no other, a beloved choice among firearms enthusiasts. It's not just a rifle, it's a gateway into the world of firearms. Renowned for its affordability, manageable recoil, and sturdy build, the Ruger 1022 has won the hearts of both beginners and seasoned shooters. But brace yourselves, because there's so much more to this iconic firearm than meets the eye. Did you have any inkling that it played a pivotal role in military operations, or that you can tweak nearly every aspect of it to fit your preferences? Join us today as we unveil 10 astonishing facts about the Ruger 1022 that are bound to leave you astonished. Whether you're a veteran marksman or a newcomer to the shooting scene, you're in for a treat. Let's dive right in. Price evolution. Now let's get down to some shocking revelations about the Ruger 1022, starting with its price evolution. Back in 2010, this rifle was a real steal for those looking to enter the world of firearms. You could snag one for just around $150 to $170. That's right, a reliable and affordable entry point for budding gun enthusiasts. Fast forward to today, and you might be in for a bit of sticker shock. As of the video's release, the Ruger 1022's price has seen a significant uptick, now ranging between $350 and $400. So what gives? Well, this price hike tells us something fascinating about the firearm: its enduring popularity. The Ruger 1022 isn't just a gun, it's a piece of American shooting culture. That rising price tag reflects a growing demand, showing that it's still the go-to choice for many, whether they're beginners or seasoned gun aficionados. So if you've been wondering about the cost of getting your hands on one, now you know how it's evolved over the years. Extensive aftermarket support. Now let's explore another surprising facet of the Ruger 1022, its extensive aftermarket support. This isn't just your average rifle, it's a canvas for customization. With a massive aftermarket ecosystem, you can transform your Ruger 1022 into something truly unique. There's a part or accessory for just about every component, from stocks to magazines to barrels. What makes this even more astounding is how accessible it is. You don't need to be a professional gunsmith to tinker with your 1022. Thanks to online tutorials and guides, even novice gun owners can dive into the world of customization. So, if you've ever dreamt of tailoring your firearm to your exact preferences, the Ruger 1022's aftermarket support makes it entirely possible. Military use. Here's a jaw-dropper: the Ruger 1022's military service. Yes, you heard that right. It's not just a favorite among civilians. The Israeli Defense Force, IDF, saw something special in it too. When a military adds a particular weapon to its arsenal, it's a significant decision that not only validates the firearm's performance, but also brings in capital for the manufacturer, often invested in future innovations. What's truly intriguing is that the Ruger 1022 is known for relatively lower firepower compared to other military firearms. However, this subpar firepower turned out to be a strength for the IDF. In situations involving civil unrest, like handling mass protests and riots, using a powerful firearm can lead to collateral damage and casualties. That's where the Ruger 1022's suppressor-equipped version came into play. Its minimal noise production and ambiguity became strategically advantageous, helping maintain order in chaotic situations. Official variants. Now let's talk about the official variants of the Ruger 1022. While there's an abundance of aftermarket customizations available, Ruger themselves recognize 11 official variants. One of these is the 1022 Magnum, designed to cater to enthusiasts who desired more firepower than standard .22 ammunition. However, it didn't gain widespread popularity due to design limitations and was discontinued in 2006 after just 9 years on the market. Another official variant that stands out is the 1022 Takedown, introduced in 2012. It's known for its unique feature of being able to disassemble into two pieces for convenient storage. This practical design, however, comes with a higher price tag due to its premium features. The SR22 is perhaps the most unique official variant, mimicking the shape of the AR-15 while maintaining the core design of the 1022. Its appearance alone sets it apart, resembling the popular AR-15 platform. Ruger's introduction of the .22 Charger pistol in 2007 is also worth noting. Based on the 1022 action, it featured unique design elements like a laminated wood stock, weaver scope, bipod, and a 10-inch matte blue barrel. Customization. But wait, there's more. The Ruger 1022's customization options extend beyond the official variants. In fact, it's highly customizable, with nearly every component replaceable. This means you can essentially tailor every aspect of your Ruger 1022 to your liking. What's truly exciting is that you can even order custom components with different designs to make your rifle visually appealing and uniquely yours. What sets the Ruger 1022 apart is how accessible this level of modification is. You don't need to be a professional gunsmith to replace components. There are countless tutorials and guides available online. This accessibility opens the door for enthusiasts, both experienced and novice, to dive into customization. Every part of the Ruger 1022 can be replaced, and there's a plethora of aftermarket accessories available. Whether you want to change stocks, magazines, barrels, or more, the Ruger 1022's customization options make it a versatile canvas for you to create a firearm that perfectly suits your shooting needs and personal taste. Customized variants. Now let's turn our attention to some specific customized variants of the Ruger 1022 that have been crafted by various companies. These variants take customization to the next level. One such variant is the AWC Ultra 2, offered by AWC Systech. What makes it stand out is its suppressed and shortened barrel. This design significantly reduces firing noise, and the suppressor is attached to a stainless barrel, giving it a sleek and durable look. The barrel design itself resembles that of a bull barrel, not only enhancing aesthetics but potentially improving accuracy. Then there's the 1020 QD, crafted by Arms Tech Limited. It's characterized by its shortened barrel, measuring just 6 inches in length, making it incredibly compact and maneuverable. Adding to its appeal is the folding stock, making storage and transportation more convenient. Plus, it's tailored to mount with a QD 223 suppressor, reducing noise and aligning with the trend of reducing firearm noise, especially in close-quarters scenarios. It's essential to note that due to the shortened barrel, this variant falls into a category known as Title II weapons in the United States, which has unique regulations and requirements. Upgrades. But the Ruger 1022 surprises don't stop here. If you own or plan to acquire this versatile rifle, you need to know about some remarkable upgrades. First on the list is the Magpul X22 Backpacker stock. It offers a sleek, compact design for the Ruger 1022 takedown, keeping the barrel and receiver together efficiently. Beyond aesthetics, it provides ambidextrous QD mounting points on the stock and even includes waterproof storage for spare parts in the grip. Next up, we have the Timney trigger for Ruger 1022, considered one of the finest triggers available for this rifle. It's a complete drop-in trigger assembly, precision machined from 6061 T6 aircraft-grade billet aluminum, with a crisp 2.75-pound trigger pull. It eliminates take-up and creep, also featuring an extended magazine release for added convenience. Another exciting option is the Fletcher Rifleworks 11-22 open-top receiver. Designed for easy access to internal components during cleaning and maintenance, it allows you to remove the top plate without disassembling the entire rifle. This receiver is compatible with standard 1022 parts, triggers, and barrels, offering superior materials and durability. Last but certainly not least, consider the Tactical Solutions X-Ring threaded barrel. If you're obsessed with performance and accuracy, it's the lightest 22 LR rifle barrel available for the Ruger 1022, weighing just 12.7 ounces. Machined from 6061 T6 aluminum with a target contour profile, it's threaded to accommodate suppressors, hand-chambered for 22 LR, and boasts a target crown and chromed bore. This barrel significantly enhances your rifle's accuracy, performance, and reliability. Whether you're after visual enhancements or pinpoint accuracy, these upgrades have you covered. William Ruger's beginnings. Before we wrap up our journey through these astonishing facts about the Ruger 1022, let's take a step back and explore the origins of this iconic firearm. William Ruger, the man behind the masterpiece, had humble beginnings in the firearms industry. He started his own machine shop and crafted his first machine gun in 1938. What's remarkable is that his initial venture gained instant recognition as the U.S. military promptly adopted his machine gun design. It speaks volumes about Ruger's quality and innovation, even in the early days of his career. The capital earned from this military adoption enabled him to invest in research and development efforts, ultimately leading to the creation of the Ruger 1022. And there you have it, folks. Shocking things you probably didn't know about the Ruger 1022. From its evolving price tag to its remarkable military service, extensive customization options, official variants, jaw-dropping upgrades, and the fascinating story of William Ruger's beginnings, this iconic firearm holds many secrets. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or a curious novice, the Ruger 1022 is an iconic piece renowned all around the world. If you found these insights as intriguing as we did, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for joining us today.